In this video, I will demonstrate how to earn $95 every hour simply by watching videos, which is one of the simplest methods to earn money online. How should it be done? We'll soon find out. This is how to get money online simply by watching videos. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications enabled. As a result, I will alert you every time I discover a new and innovative technique to generate money online, so you can be among the first to put it to use. As a result, make the maximum money. The first step is to watch the video. The next stage is to observe it for at least 60 seconds. The third step is to cash out your earnings. That's all there is to it. Today I'll show you the single most successful website for generating money online by simply viewing movies. This website is free to use and available from anywhere in the globe, and keep in mind I'll be providing exclusive additional tips that can help you to earn twice or even triple what other people are earning. So be careful to stay around and continue watching till the very closeout. Now let's return to the video. First of all, I would want you to visit zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, there are several ways to earn money by just completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the sake of this video, we will focus on viewing videos because it is something you already do on a daily basis and earns the most money for the least amount of work. So go ahead and select the option to watch TV. Allow me to now explain how this website works. Step 1 is to sign up for a free account on this website. Step 2 is to choose a channel that interests you. Now let's go through how it works. 1 wants engagements. Advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Going to 2, we recruit members and we find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. After that, you do online actions, take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. After installing those videos, points will be credited to your account, and you may also keep an eye out for more earnings by installing more than an app. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to fully comprehend how this website operates. The first step is to register for a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password, and just click sign up now, and it will take you to this page where you will be able to enter your required information. You can also join up with your Facebook or Google account for a more convenient experience. Now, after logging into your Zoombucks account, scroll down and on the left-hand side of the website, click on the leaderboard. Thus, you can see the amount of money you could earn on this site. You can see that others have earned anything from $200 to $400, and you could be the next making a good amount of money. All these people are making good money on Zoombucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of options available here, and all of those options reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To begin, select Watch from the menu on the left. Following that, you'll notice these boxes with the terms Hideout TV and Lootably written on them. And if you hold your mouse over them, you'll find their offer specifications, which are as follows: 5 points and 3 videos for ad credits unlimited times. To be accepted, videos must have advertisements either before or after the video. If you want to learn more, click on More Info. Then by selecting the Start button, choose Lootably. You'll then be brought to this page where you may pick the category of watching videos. You may choose from the categories of food, DIY, and random videos. On the right side, you can see how many points you can get in each category. If I choose food, for example, I will be directed to this page. An advance from me to you, you must first create a free account, which you can do right here. Enter your email address, add your password, and then simply click sign up. You'll be sent to this website after creating a Lootably account where you may watch all of the videos in the food category. You may view as many videos as you like on our website. If I select this one, for instance, I'll be brought to another website where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you extra advice on how to optimize your revenue, you may view as many videos as you like on various tabs at the same time. This way you'll be able to view a lot of videos while doing other things. As a result, you will be able to earn the greatest money in the shortest period of exertion and time. More videos may be viewed by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another additional trick is to reduce the video quality by going to the video settings. I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible to save data. As a consequence, you'll be able to view as many 60 seconds video as you want, while still making as much money as you want. These additional techniques are really powerful, and you can apply them right now to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings on this website in a single day. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online by MoneyFlow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first one using the method and earning a good amount of money by new and easy tutorials. By the way, if you have any problems about this website, just comment below and we will be happy to help you and solve the problem. Let us now return to the video. Now that you know how to make money on zoombucks.com by just viewing videos, I'd like to teach you another method to make money on this site by completing surveys. You should notice surveys on the left side of your Zoombucks dashboard, which you should click on. You will be given a selection of firms that offer basic surveys to complete as a result of doing so. As demonstrated below, each survey will pay you $0.85, $0.60, $10, $3, and $5, or much more. Simply select the firm that provides the greatest money. Then, just like before, register a free account with your preferred firm and begin doing as many surveys as you like. Finally, subscribe to MoneyFlow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website by rating apps and writing a positive feedback and being paid. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.